All right, guys, this is Paul Singh, the market speculator, and on bullsonwallstreet.com, we have our swing trade service. And 2 days ago, I went over our LinkedIn entry, and I promised you guys when we exited, I would create a video and go over it with you. And we exited it today for a nice gain, about $1,000 profit. And let's hit it. So we entered here LinkedIn on this earnings breakout, and this is one of my favorite setups. It's great for people with jobs who are not full-time traders because it's so easy to identify, so easy to trade. Really simple setup that is very profitable. You know, it's not always the most complex things that are profitable. Oftentimes, the simplest setups are the most profitable, and this is also great for people trading full-time because it's so easy to identify, and you can do other things while you're in this position. So we entered on Wednesday on this pullback to 260. We identified 260 as the bottom of the range. And what I like to do with earnings breakouts, I'll trade the breakout, but I'll also watch a range develop. And once that range develops, I want to get in on the bottom of the range and sell the top of the range. And that's what we did here. So we had this range develop around 260. We identified 270 to 275 as the top of the range. So basically trying to enter as close to 260 as possible and trying to exit around 270 to 275. And we entered 2 days ago at 262.50, which was close enough to that 260 range. We can place our stop under that, maybe around 257, 258, and have that target up here around 275. And if you're holding it longer term, you can make a play for 280, 290, and even 300. We did it short term just because we see that there might be a pullback in the market, which has happened here. So today, we got that bounce yesterday, got close to 270, and then today it bounced up to 272, and we actually got out at 271.30, somewhere in that range. So we're looking at around $1,000 gain in 2 days. Off this bounce, and it's a really profitable setup. Watch these earnings breakouts, watch a range develop, and just play the bottom and the top. And what happens here is wherever you set your stop, you want to set it so that you're going to get 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 on your trade. And in this case, we were looking at maybe a $300-400 loss, and then you're looking at $1,000 gain. So when you have that kind of setup, you can be right only 50% of the time and make a lot of money. And that's what we're doing here. So this is the earnings breakout trading range setup, winning trade with LinkedIn, and all trade report members were alerted to that trade as I made it. If you want to take a free trial, go to Part-Time Trader free trial on the Bulls on Wall Street website, and put in your information here, and you will get a 2-week free trial. You'll get a nightly report, an intraday report, and any trade alerts that I make during the day. So that's it, and maybe I'll do this again next week with one of my other entries.